Hey guys, low-key, we finna do something like crazy, outrageous type shit, you know what I'm saying? But, we're gonna go on like a little railroad track. I'm at my dad's house.
We're going through the underground railroad.
For real, I'll fucking show you things. I'm at my dad's house. I'm not in Indiana. I'm in Georgia, okay? So I'm over here just chilling. Okay, drag it? Okay. You like, you do this, honey,
No,
you're
just
using
like-
this.
Whatever you can.
We're drinking halfway. Halfway. You look like you got it. Girl, you got it. Girl power. Ah. No shade. But it's like there's like a little woods. So we finna see.
He took that little orange tractor and we took it to the... There's too much like
Too much
the
what?
roots of the tree. He tried to fix it last time and he could get it.
So this one works.
Running, but yeah.
Well, that's fine. You can sit right here and I can sit there. Ah?
Well, you can.
No, bitch, I'm playing. I'm playing. Alright, we're gonna have to see how we're gonna tie this bitch up. With what string we're gonna tie it up? It'll be our mattress.
We did it with this last time. Get off.
For real. I'm like, wait, what's this one? I'm all filming. It looks like we're in the bandit house.
He was able to start that one, but he has to do a whole bunch of stuff to it and like do something. Yeah. This piece.
Which piece?
Because it's
This?
Yeah, pull that out.
Oh, damn.
There you go.
Be on light switch here. What the fuck?
Okay, hold on.
What is that light
We've
switch
been
for?
through this so many times that I just don't know what spray he used. Oh, right.
Who's here?
You're like, bitch, I can't do shit.
Girl, I'm just a girl. Ah?
Okay, hold on.
I could try to start it up because I still want to know more than overspraying it then. Because, you know, I over-season, so I can overspray. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, start it. Try to start it. No?
Well, do I have to press my brake? The brake or
No,
something?
no, you don't have to
Okay,
press
then yeah, look.
nothing. You just...
It's not working.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay, start it. Try to start it. No. Damn, I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't want to...
What happened? It doesn't want to turn on?
Do you know if it has gas?
I don't know.
It's turning off.
Oh, yeah. It was turning off on him. He would, like, this would be open. And then he would close it and then it would turn off. And then he did something to it and then it worked. But I don't know what the fuck he did. Another round? Another round or not? Yeah, let's do that one. Yeah! Bro, we're right here, right? I'm squinching my toes because I gotta shit. Fuck.